Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys all enjoyed my last video. Today, I'm going to go find a couple of parks and go for a walk, so come and enjoy. And yeah, let's go hang out in the forest in the rain. Because the rain is great. It's good to get out in the rain. It's good to get out in nature in the rain. Never stopped me from doing it, so let's go do it. Let's go have some fun. And yes, as you can see, I'm in a rental vehicle. Finally, ICBC, we decided to go with a rental vehicle because my wife's car died and my car is still at ICBC. So yeah, we're in a rental vehicle. That's what we're going to be driving around. So yeah, let's go find a place to do this. Let's go, guys. Let's go find a forest. I love hanging out in nature. And like I've said before, it doesn't matter if it's raining, really hot, or it's snowing. I'll be out in nature. So come along with me and let's go, guys. When I first pulled up to this, it looked like it was just a residence, as you can see right there. But it's actually a park. Springwood Forest Park. Help keep your park clean, guys. So let's go down this path here and check out this forest and go for a walk in here as it continues to rain. It's not too wet out in here. Hopefully you guys can hear the sounds of the rain and the airplane going by as we walk here. I don't mind that I'm getting a little bit of rain on me, getting wet. It's all about being out in nature. I'm dryable. Something called a dryer. I can put my clothes in there. Or even just a heated room works too. And keep walking up. Beautiful trees around and lots of berries. It's almost blackberry season. So you know how I like to adventure off the trail? I've noticed as I walk up, if I adventure off the trail, I'll end up in someone's backyard. Because this looks like it is where, yeah, you can see sort of fence lines of backyards. It's a cool, neat stump. I should get up on it and stand on it. Maybe not. Maybe later. We'll check out the path down this way a bit further. Like I said, it's berry season. I don't know if these ones are edible, but those look like blackberries that are almost dead. And some red berries. Someone came, dumped their bike and some beer cans and left. And more of those red berries there. Not 100% sure what those are, if they're edible or not. Oh, and then I think this is the end of that little forested area. I think it goes out to a road here. Let's check it out. Let's go down these stairs and see where this leads. Yep. Okay, so I'll go back up the way I came and I'll see if there's any little cut-offs to the side of the road, side of the trail and check those out. But yeah, so far it's just a cut through from one residential area to another that's further down. And yeah, so like I said, I'll venture off to the side. Let's check this area out. Oh, like I said, there's the fence of someone's backyard. So yeah, it's just a little cut through. Here we go, back up that trail. You can see some different cool trees. Yeah, there's the backyard of, or the back fence of some yards. So if I go off the trail, like I said, I'll end up hitting someone's backyard. So that's not what we want. So let's keep going back the way I came. Show you guys off. Yeah, see, blackberries. Just listen to that rain. As you guys saw, that's not a very long forest, but I guess it's considered a forest. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. But yeah, I know it is a forest because there's lots of trees and there's gravel walkways, which is considered a forest. So yeah, it's more of a forest cut through is what it should be labeled as, so that people like me who want to come and walk through this for a good little bit can. But no, it's just a cut through. So let me make that clear. This is just a forest cut through, but still cool to check out as I'm back at my car now. But yeah, I mean, I would say it's cool to check out and cool to walk through. So it is fun when you have some younger children who can't walk for or don't want to go on a super long walk. This is one that you could do pretty quickly with the young ones, or even people who don't want to walk for very long, just want to get out in nature and do a short little walk. Could always check this one out. But yeah, like I said, I'm back in my car. Hey guys, welcome back to Fitness in the Park, day 34. Here we go with lunges. Now push-ups. Now sit-ups. Squats now. Push-ups again. And now lunges. And that's going to end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed this little cut through walk in the forest at Sterling. I think it's called But what I'm at the sign, Springwood Forest Park. Think positive. Kick that negative out of your life. Keep on with the outdoors like I'm doing. See, I'm doing the outdoors in the rain. Bet you not doing that. You know what? Like the video. Subscribe down below. You know what you need to do, subscribe, and turn on the ring bell notifications to all notifications so you never miss a video. Because you know what? I check it out and I see that I don't have you guys watching my videos. So watch the videos, turn on the bell notifications. Till next time, peace out, and we'll see you on Wednesday. You can see we got JK Vlogs merch here. We got some sunglasses. Get them while you can. Limited quantity left. We got red. We got royal blue. We got light blue. And we got purple. So get your merch. $10 a pair. And yeah, get your JK Vlogs sunglasses.